Hey, how you guys doing? ACVOLT Electrical over here. Thank you very much. Thank you for being here on this channel where I have tutorials of ice machines, electrical, refrigeration, air conditioning, and so much more. And today I'm gonna teach you of how to reset a ice machine, ice maker, hoshizaqui ice maker. When you first turn on the unit, you'll hear this little 3 beeps. And how are you gonna do that? Okay, it's really easy. Before, it will not do ice without you resetting the machine. So you have to reset the machine, and from there you have to follow the procedures of watching on the circuitry it does. The machine has 3 circuits. It has the electrical circuit, it has the refrigeration circuit, and the water circuit. So right now what we're gonna do is follow me here. We're gonna stick our finger right here. I hope you could see it. It's right here all the way at the end. It's right here all the way at the end, and you push it for 2 or 3 seconds. And that's it. That should do it. And now the first procedure that will do, it will open up the water valve right here, and it will start shooting water in the water tank. See right there, all the water right here is coming down. After the water has filled up the tank, this little guy right here, which is the float switch, will send the signal through this little thermistor. It will send the signal to the board, and it will tell them that it's been already filled up, and it's gonna kick the compressor in. The compressor is gonna kick in, and from there hot gas will circulate through these pipes right here. And what does it do? Right here, the compressor kick in. You hear it? All right. So, and it will start circulating hot gas through these pipes. If you touch them, they'll be hot on the touch. And after does this procedure, it will switch on the hot gas valve that is over here all the way at the back, same as this, and at the back, I don't know if you can see it, it's all the way at the back right here. It's the hot gas valve. Yeah, it's sitting there. So anyways, once he has completed his time, that hot gas will switch the refrigeration direction. It will actually close the valve, and the refrigeration will start going, you know, normally for the ice making process. And these pipes right here will start turning cold. So as they start turning cold, the freeze-up cycle will begin in the coils here. This coil and this coil, that's gonna be the freeze-up cycle. And the freeze-up cycle, it will last about 60 to 70 minutes, but you can always adjust it here. I will make another video to how to adjust the settings and the dip switch of the board, so we can have more ice production in less time. Instead of having 60 minutes, you'll probably have 50 minutes, and you'll have more ice in every cycle. So why, let's go to the beginning. Why did it start making that beep? Well, it could be a lot of things. Let's go back to the machine. Right here, it started doing the switch of the direction right here. These pipes are getting cold, and the water pump, it's circulating now. All the water was in the tank, and it's circulating the water right here, and the machine, it started doing its normal process. The fan that is all the way at the back, it's running now. I don't know if you can see it, but anyways, this machine happens to be a self-contained unit. It has the fan and the condenser right here in the entire machine. Now there is some other machines that they have a remote condenser. That remote condenser is always up on the roof. That's how it runs through the set of lines. The line sets, that's what we call it, the line set. So I don't know if you can see, but these pipes are already getting some frost free stuff right here. That means the machine is getting to work. But let's go to the beginning over here. Let's go to the beginning of the problem. All right, the problem could be if you see this cover inside, it's missing, but in the cover we'll have we'll have all the possible causes for that 3 beep. The 3 beep, it could be a stock TXV, it could be a frozen coil, it could be a water problem, but always only two things could be the circuit, the water circuit, and the refrigeration circuit. Only 2 of those. Not electrical components are included in here. Only those 2, the water circuit and the refrigeration circuit. Now the first thing that always causes that 3 beep to start or to go off, will be this guy right here, because he needs cleaning. You have to remove this guy and find out that it's not full of dirt in here, all the scale accumulation. So first thing, you got to check on that, make sure that the ice machine is not freezing up. And the other one will be the refrigeration circuit, and that's something that has to be explained on a more detail next time. But for now, I already teach you how to reset the machine. It's so easy. It's right here. Just hold the little button for like 2 or 3 seconds, and that beeping will go off and the machine will start it. Now if it happens again, now that's where you call a professional. That's when you have to call us and give us a call. All right, looks like right on the money and the machine is working. It was an easy fix. It was an easy fix that you could do it yourself. Just try not to put your finger in there. Try to use something that is not gonna shock you. So anyways, thank you for watching my video. Before we go on to the next explanation of how to adjust and every detail of the ice machine, I'm gonna tell you to please subscribe to my channel down below. Give me a like and share my video if it was good to you. Thank you. And this tutorial was how to reset an ice machine, hoshizaqui brand. Thank you very much and have a wonderful day. Got wet. They're waterproof. You know that? Yeah, I know. The cracks. What do you do, James?